In this video I'm going to show you how to destroy enemies and also score points from destroying enemies. It's going to be a very short video. I'm just going to show you the code that's required. So you know that when we fire a bullet in our game, the bullet stays on the screen. You can only fire one bullet on the screen at any one time until it hits an object or goes out of the game room. So what we're going to do, we're going to check to see if the bullet is in collision with any of the objects that we want to destroy. So on my OBJ bullet, you can see that I have set up a number of collision events. Okay, I'll just close those down to stop any confusion. So I've got a collision event with the fly, a collision event with the lizard, and a collision event with an enemy which I haven't used in the game yet called Troll. So if I have a quick look at the code, okay, all this is doing, this is the first part here is if the bullet hits the fly object, then it's going to allocate 300 points to my P score, my player score, in my OBJ game object. So don't forget, wherever possible, we're keeping all of the control of the game in the game object. Okay, and then with the other instance, we're going to destroy it. So that's destroying the bullet, which will be destroyed automatically, and it'll destroy the other instance, which is the fly, the thing it's in collision with. Okay, E-lizard is slightly different because with E-lizard I have allocated health to my character in the create event. So if you can see here, okay, I haven't allocated any health to the fly object. Sorry. Okay, you can see there in the fly object in the create event I have not allocated any health at all because it's a one hit kill for this particular enemy. If I go onto my E-lizard and I open up the create event there, you can see that I've set a variable called lizard health equal to 3. Okay, so that means that I need to hit the lizard 3 times, so 3 bullets in collision 3 times in order to destroy the E-lizard. So if I look at the code for that, so what happens if the bullet hits the fly? So the first thing that I do off my OBJ E-lizard lizard health is take off 1 from the hit count. If the lizard health is either equal to or less than 0, then it's going to do this code. Okay, if not, it's going to ignore it, okay, and wait for the next collision. So if it is equal to or less than 0, then I'm going to allocate 300 points to my score, so objgame.p score, and then with the other instance I'm going to destroy. So I'm going to, just don't forget we're looking in the context of the bullet, so we want to destroy the other instance, okay, which will destroy the lizard. Okay, and I could do the same thing with the troll. I haven't coded the troll, but I could do exactly the same thing with that. So I would go into my e-troll. Okay, I would go into the create event. I can see I've set a troll health at 5 at the moment. It's not going to move at all because obviously if I look at the I haven't set a speed or a direction, so I could just copy the code from the E-lizard to do that. But yeah, I haven't done anything with the troll yet. But you can see how to allocate hit points and how to deal with bullet collisions with enemies, removing them from the game and allocating point scores. Okay. So let's see how this looks in game then. So if I play the game, okay, I press my enter key. Okay, right, so I hit there, so I haven't shot with the. There we go. So one bullet on a screen at a time. So that was a 1 hit kill. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now you can see that my enemy is destroyed. Just out of curiosity, I just want to run that again because I just want to check that the bullets are being destroyed when they hit the objects. No, they're not. So we need to destroy the bullet and the enemy on that collision. So let's add the code for that. So I just need to add a line to each of the collision events. So I'm going to do instance underscore destroy. Okay, and this needs to be allocated to each of those collisions. So I'm just going to copy that line of code. I'm going to go onto the fly. I'm going to do the same thing here because I want to destroy the bullet object. And I want to do the same thing with the troll. Okay, so let's try that again. So what I should see is the bullet being instantly destroyed when I shoot the... And there we go, and both of those are destroyed. We'll double check that now with the troll. 1, 2, 3, there we go. Okay, so that's working fine now. So that's how we do collision events with bullets and enemy objects, allocating scores, destroying the bullet and the object that's in collision as well. Okay.